Hello everybody. Today I would like to give you a short conversation between two people. Number 1. The woman got the man's attention and asked him to tell her why she had that ticket on her car. He started checking. He explained to her that he had gotten the ticket because he had parked in wrong place. She was surprised by that. He commented, the sports vehicle blue with a wheelchair in the middle of the ground was only for handicapped people. Number 2. The man wanted to know how long the woman had been experienced in that band. She replied for about a month. She regretted coming sooner because she could barely chew her food then. He said they had a serious problem there. She was surprised by that. She had known something terrible was going on back there. She thought she should come in sooner. Number 3. The woman said hello to the man and introduced her department she worked with. Then she ordered to help him. He explained he was calling about a new phone line he would like to have installed in his home. She agreed with him. She wanted to know how many phone lines he currently had in his residence. He replied just one. He said they wanted to install another for internet access. Number 4. The woman wanted to know the man's opinion about using the tax line. He thought he couldn't live without it because it was so convenient, especially when he wanted to talk to his friend in another country. She agreed with him. He commented he had been talking to his friend in Australia for over an hour and a half one night, and that phone call cost at least $100. Number 5. The woman was surprised by human cloning. The man thought it was pretty amazing because people were discussing and debating that lot issue everywhere in the city. She said a lot of people felt it unethical to experiment on humans. However, he thought the experiment had carried out on embryonic stem cells, which scientists say were necessary for therapy, should keep going. 6. The man needed the woman's sign at the bottom of the bay to complete her loan. She was happy to hear that because she was too excited about buying a house. He thought she had made a wise decision. She thanks him very much for his help. Number 7. The man wanted to know the woman if that model had the automatic transmission because his car only drove automatic. The woman agreed with him. She said they had two in stock right then and wanted to know if he needed a 2-door or 4-door model. He replied they wanted a 4-door with the air conditioning. She recommended that the easiest 4-door complete with air conditioning and leather seats. She started testing the ride if he would like. Number 8. The woman wanted to know if the man had any recommendations for the secretarial position. He commented he knew a very reliable woman from his university. She suggested calling her and inviting her in for an interview. He agreed with her. Number 9. The man wanted to know the woman had heard something about the ball missing the week before. She agreed with him. She replied a lot of people had freaked out like someone had gotten fired or something. He said that tradesman told all of them that his work going to because they pay if they didn't work harder. She says that's terrible. Number 10. The woman invited the man to her housewarming party that Saturday. He was surprised by that and wanted to confirm that he had officially moved into her new place on Grand Street. She agreed with him. He commented he would love to come and we wanted to know if he could bring something. Thank you for listening.